MotorTech just has an amazing amount of information. The scope of how many vehicles are on there, and also even just things like wiring diagrams that other information systems don't have that MotorTech does have. The other great feature of MotorTech is the ability to look up technical service bulletins, recall data. All that information just helps the mechanics diagnose cars a lot quicker, and just the ability to look up so many common problems that otherwise we wouldn't know about. It definitely saves time, with diagnosis for my mechanics, definitely. The Haynes online access, it's all that on the books that we used to have sitting in the back shelf is now online now, and it just makes, once again, a much faster way to get information for vehicles. Toyotas, Mazdas and Fords, all that information is just critical when trying to diagnose cars, for sure. My favourite MotorTech feature is definitely the case studies and technical service bulletins. All that information there, we usually find when cars come in, we go to a common problem, and most of the time it's on MotorTech. I've already recommended it to a couple of the guys across the road, the mechanic shops, to tell them to get onto it because of the information that's there. And our other workshop as well is also signed up and using it as well. So, yeah.